at the Atomic City booth. They come all the way from Ohio to this show. All right, what you got, Jack?
Well, we'll start at this end of the table.
All right.
First of all, good to see you again, Tim.
And you too.
Glad we could all make it out and get together.
I'm glad
again.
you're here. I always get excited when you guys come.
We brought some of our vintage stuff that we've got in the shop, some built up, some out of Doug's collection, some stuff we're selling on consignment.
So all this stuff is from your shop?
All this is from our shop.
Okay. And you got a regular hobby shop, don't you?
Oh, yeah. We've got like 2,000 square feet of space under roof. And our main store is 1,000 square feet. And we've got everything from vintage original kits to built-up bag kits, a huge boneyard in the back with parts and pieces if you're looking for stuff to restore or repair a model that you've got.
Nice.
Or just parts and pieces for a project that you're building.
Okay.
So, a lot of people make the trip just to see that.
I need to get there and check it out.
You do. We'll, anytime that you're free, we'll be more than happy to. If it's a day that we're closed, we'll be there for you.
Cool. I like these pieces. Those are nice.
Yeah, those are some that Doug either built or started.
Very nice. The paint job on them are nice too.
Oh yes.
Very nice. All right.
And we have
the turntable.
We've got a selection of our Johan 3D and our we've got other restoration parts, but miscellaneous stuff that we carry in the store.
Okay. Is that a gurney?
That's a gurney that you can use with either the old Johan ambulance or the new or the AMT ambulance kit they just did.
All right.
And somewhere here, we've even got a coffin that you can use to complete your Johan hearse.
Okay.
For whatever you want to make it. We've got some plastic performance parts with us today. And
some 3D printed
products
stuff.
in our Johan 3D printed products line.
Okay. Well, those are nice. You guys carry a bunch of 3D printed parts?
We do, and we're working on expanding that line. We've actually just started setting up some in-house 3D printing operations too for things that we're doing.
Okay.
And we've got some original Johan parts here.
Nice. Well, good deal. All right, I'm excited about this.
Yes,
What's going on
we
here?
We are debuting this today at the HMCA show.
Today's the first day?
First day, yes.
Dang.
So we
I'm really glad you're here
Circle
now.
City show.
Yep, I remember that.
Breakdown of the park.
Yep, I remember showing it at Circle City show.
And here's the
built-up version.
The built-up from all the parts that you see in the display box. That's painted with Model Car World Big Bad Green.
Okay.
And since the chrome tree that we have for those is not plated, we decided we would just build the box art car as one of the big bad colors since they painted the bumpers on those the body color.
Okay.
So it really gives a nice contrast to the whole model. And this one we have two versions available. One has a low back bucket seat and one has a high back bucket seat. Most of the kits that I've seen issued over the years have the high back, but you've got an option. We've got it marked here on the this one has a low back bucket seat option.
Okay.
So we've got two variations available, and we actually did a throwback to the old Johan style box art, and instead of using like the rendering they did, we featured our box art model and promote the breakdown of the parts that are featured in there, and the product line that you can buy separate pieces from.
Okay.
Either online or in our store.
Nice. This is going to be a good seller.
We're looking for it. Now, here's one of the things too. I don't have these with me today because they're still at the printers and won't be available till mid-October. But we're going to be including a 6-color screen printed ghost stripe sheet with each of the kits, and these will be professionally done You don't have to trim each individual decal out real close. They're clear. The clear is pulled up as tight as you can possibly get it to the image. So try to make it a little bit easier for the modeler. The nice thing about these, we'll have some extras for sale too, is these stripes will give you lots of options to use on other models. You can do multiple variations. If you want to do rocker panel stripes, or butt them up together to do a wider stripe, single stripe, multicolor stripe, however you want to do it.
Okay.
So if somebody buys one of the kits today, we've got a label to get their name and address so we can mail it to it as quick as it arrives.
All right, yeah, your trailer.
Yes.
Utility trailer, those are nice.
Yes, that's been a popular item for us.
Yeah. And your John boat.
John boat, yes.
A lot of people like that in the last video when I showed it.
It's been a popular item for us.
And it even comes with fish and a fishing rod, if I remember.
Fish and a bucket.
Yep.
Life vests, oars. So,
what you got here?
These are some 3D printed bodies by Papa Bear, James Bear out in California that we've got, and they're available.
Okay.
And we've got
T-shirts.
Our latest Johan shirt.
Latest and greatest.
And
more 3D printed stuff.
Yes. Now this is another item that we just came out with. This is a tail light for the 74 and 75 Oldsmobile. That is 3D printed in red resin, transparent red resin. So this is our newest addition to our Johan Restoration Parts line.
Nice.
And in addition, we're slowly expanding that with wheel backs and vacuum form replacement windows. And as we get more good items that we can scan to work from, then we'll be doing those items too.
Okay. Just got heading over here.
Yes.
More 3D printed parts.
Got some more of our Johan Restoration parts, some vacuum form windows. These happen to be for the 6970 AMX. We've got some for I think the Torino here. We've got 70 Cutlass taillights. We've got Maverick taillights, I believe it is there. Kits that we stock, newer items, kits that we stock in the store.
So these are in your store, okay.
Yes, these are in our store. And a selection of out-of-production kits that are still sealed and original.
You got those in the store also?
Got those in the store also. Yeah, we have a huge selection of out-of-production kits. And we're running a special here today at the show, the MPC 71 Demon and the AMG 64 Malibu for $20 each.
Okay.
And we've got our Dodge pickup trucks. And we've got a bunch of bag kits. Bag kits for $5 each too.
All right. You got a little bit of everything, don't you? I got to get down to your shop. Get down there for a visit. All right. You got how can someone get a hold of you?
Okay. Well, we are at our shop is located. Our main store is located at 1964 Woodman Center Drive in Kettering, Ohio, which is a suburb of Dayton. And our store hours are Wednesday through Sunday, Wednesday through Saturday from 11 to 5, Sunday 12 to 4. And you can follow us on Facebook at Atomic City Rod and Custom Model Car Resource.
Cool. Thank you, Jack.
Thank you, Tim.
And if it'll focus, there we go. Is it going to focus? There we go. Atomic City, check them out, guys. I got to get there myself.